Radhika is a maths teacher. Today, she is discussing about triangles.
Hello kids.
Good evening, ma'am.
Today, let us discuss about triangles. Hope you all know what a triangle is.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us see some interesting facts about triangles. I have some angle cutouts and their arms have fixed measure. I will give a set of angles to each of you. You need to form a triangle using 3 of them.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Winner took 3 angle cutouts which measure 80 degrees, 50 degrees and 60 degrees, and he tried to make a triangle from the 3 angle cutouts.
Vinay, are you able to form a triangle?
No, ma'am. I am not able to form the triangle.
Then, what will you do to form a triangle?
It looks like I need to reduce one of the angles so that the arms can meet and form a triangle.
Okay, now replace the 80 degrees angle with a different angle and check whether you can form a triangle or not.
Now, Winner took the 70 degrees angle.
Ma'am, now I can form a triangle.
How is it that now you could form a triangle? Check the sum of the 3 angle measures in the first case and second case.
In the first case, the sum of the 3 angles is 190 degrees, and in the second case, the sum of the 3 angles is 180 degrees.
So, you see that when the sum of the angles was more than 180 degrees, you could not form a triangle. But when the sum was 180 degrees, you could form the triangle. The sum of the angles of any triangle should be 180 degrees. We call this as angle sum property of a triangle. Also, to form a triangle, sum of the lengths of any 2 sides of the triangle should be more than the third side. There are many special properties about triangles. To form a triangle or understand a triangle, we need to know the properties of its angles and sides.
Why should we learn about triangles and its properties? We can find the unknown angles of a triangle using the angle sum property of triangle. And we can find the unknown length in a right-angled triangle using Pythagoras property of a right-angled triangle. Also, we can find the unknown exterior angle using the exterior angle property of a triangle. Let us conclude. Now you know about angle sum property of a triangle. There are many interesting properties about triangles. Also, you know why we should learn about triangles. We will learn more about them in this chapter.